Hello all, welcome back. In this video, we are studying how to create and traverse a doubly linked list. Okay, we are studying with the help of code. Let's see the basic structure of a node of doubly linked list. Struct node int data. This data part could be anything and any number of field we can have. It is not necessary that data is always integer. It can be char, string or any other. Now for doubly linked list we need two pointers. First one is previous pointer, so struct node star pre, and other one is next pointer, so struct node star next. Star head is a node pointer that represent start of the list. Star last is also a pointer for last. Now to create the list, we have to declare a function of creation using void create list int n. In main int n, put head and last equal to null and print how many number of nodes you want to create and take the input and then call create list, but before that make create list function. In that, let's create the doubly linked list. I and data are the two variables of type int used later in the code and declare variable of node type, that is start new node. Now if n greater than equal to 1, create first node, that is head, using dynamic memory allocation to allocate memory for a node. We create a node using malloc as we want to create a structure by name node, so we try to find the size of that structure in our operating system. So size of struct node in brackets. Now size of struct node sent to the malloc. As malloc returns void star, so we have to do the typecasting. Typecasting to pointer of type node. Now if head is not equal to null, take input data from user using printf, enter data of first node, take input and assign it to head using head arrow data equal to data. And also make sure that previous and next address field of the head node must points to null. So do head arrow prev equal to null and head arrow next equal to null. And make the head node as last node using last equal to head. Now we are creating other nodes, so this for loop is used. This is used to create all the nodes until n. In this for loop we are allocating memory and assign memory reference to new node. Same as we done for head using new node equal to struct node star malloc size of struct node. If new node not equal to null means memory got allocated successfully. So printf enter data of %d nodes means different nodes and scanf %d and data. Then we are reading data and assign it to data section of new node using new node arrow data equal to data. Then link new node with the previous node using new node star prev equal to last and put null to next pointer of new node using new node arrow next equal to null. Now link previous node with the new node using last arrow next equal to new node and make new node as last node using last equal to new node. Else the case when new node equal to null means memory is not allocated to new node. So we have to print error message unable to allocate memory and break. Finally print doubly linked list created successfully. Else unable to allocate memory. So we created doubly linked list successfully using the code. Let's see the output. Enter the number of nodes you want to create. Let's say 4. Data of first node is 10. Second node is 20. Third node is 30 and fourth node is 40. Doubly linked list created successfully. And one more thing, traversing a doubly linked list is same as singly linked list. So must watch the video of creation and traversing of singly linked list. Okay, so stay tuned and enjoy learning. And yes, if you have any queries regarding this video, feel free to contact us through our email, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching.